So here's a situation that we came into. We did some structural repairs in the structure with torque lock. That's not where I'm going with this. I don't do remodels anymore, so we referred this out to somebody who recommended that the deck be removed, that the beam be redone, tile, plaster, and then have a decking company come in after. Customer didn't want to spend the money, decided he's going to use his decking contractor. So this is a good example of the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing. Again, the pool guy should handle beam down, deck could handle something else, but take a look at these pictures, take a look at this video. All they did was cut the slab of the deck back. They have a crack going literally, well, it's not a crack, it's actual expansion joint, but that turns into cracks in other areas that are running all the way around the structure. If you take a close-up look at the spa, the best we could with what pics we had, we're showing you where they actually mudded it over with spec mix, and so they planned on doing a tile line right here. Well, what's going to happen when that deck moves? It's going to pop those tiles right off. These tiles are going to pop off, and again, remember, we have seismic activity out here in California. One little movement, that pool's going to be missing probably 20% of the tiles that are going to pop off of that job. So it's actually changing the elevation of the pool. That can't be done like that. That deck has to get removed. That beam needs to be built up, tile, plaster, and then you can do whatever you want with the deck on the back end. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.